Hey Anastasia, this is Uncle Kevin. I'm going to Walmart, Anastasia. That's where we buy a bunch of stuff here. And so this is a train. There's a train in the background over there. It just went by. But this is a train station. It's called a platform. It's called a platform. And I'm going to turn this way so the sun's going to be in our eyes. But we're going to see that it's a train. These are train tracks. I'm going to stand up. I'm going to show you. These down here are called train tracks. Can you see them? Can you say train tracks? And we're going to show them to you. See, they keep going out. The train tracks keep going, and then they keep going all the way down there. But our train's going to come from that direction in a couple minutes, and I'll definitely get it on camera. So Uncle Kevin's going to Walmart, and I'm going to take you with me because I'm going to get on a bus. I'm going to take a train to Crenshaw, and I'm going to get on a bus. So that's the train, and this is the train platform over here. See, people are waiting for the train, and this is a map over here. See? This is a map of Los Angeles. Look at this. This is a map of Los Angeles, and this is the map of all the bus routes. Okay, let's go in a little bit closer here, and you see this is all the maps. This is all throughout Los Angeles, all the way to the ocean. Out here, there's the ocean. Oh, the ocean's down here actually. There's the ocean, and that's there's Pasadena. That's where the Rose Bowl is. There's El Sereno, Monterey Hills, Cypress Park. These are all places in California, and I'm down here somewhere, but I can't find me. Well, I'm this way. I'm over here. I'm right in here somewhere. That's where I live. And this over here, these are the main bus routes right here. These are the main bus routes. And that's good. And pretty soon our train is going to be coming from this direction. And when it comes, I'll let you know. Anastasia, this is where Auntie Sue lives, right here. This is Redondo Beach. See the ocean? Auntie Sue lives right on the ocean. That blue is the ocean, and that's Redondo Beach. So I'm going to take you up a little bit and try to find where I live. I live right about here in LA. That's my house. And I'm right kind of south of Vernon, right there. There's Slauson right there, and I'm right there. That's my house. I live in Los Angeles, California. Okay, Anastasia. Anastasia, here comes our train. It's coming. I can see it. See, there's a dash making a turn, but our train's right over here. Here it comes. Its lights are flashing. See, it's heading towards the intersection. That's our train. Here she comes, a-coming from the station. Engineer, conductor, pull the cord. Choo-choo train, a-coming from the station. All aboard. Okay, that's our train right there. And we are going to get on in one sec. He's going to come and pick us up, and then we're going to get on the bus. And then we're going to Walmart. Can you say Walmart? And there's the cars turning, and here comes the train. Okay, I'll shut this off for one sec. Oh, here comes the train. Here it comes. Here it comes, Anastasia. Look at that big old train. Now you want to move back a little bit because trains are scary. They're big. They're big. Here it comes. Here it comes. Stop. Please stop. Wait for me. Wait for me, train. Wait for me. Okay, Anastasia, this door's going to open. I'm going to get on. I'm going to get on the train.
went home where Mama was. So, okay, anyway, I assumed that you were also with Mama. Okay. So, econ went well. If I didn't make dumb mistakes, and I don't think I did, but I was a little rushed. I'm pretty sure I did alright. I was rushed and I did everything, but it was like at the last second, kind of. Oh, I did. Yeah, all of it, like to the very end. Yeah.
Now arriving next stop, Crenshaw Station.
Math. Yeah, it was just a quiz, but yeah.